Right now, you can get up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000 a share by using my link in the description below to sign up. As you can see, you can also receive a $100 cash reward. And if you deposit $5,000, you can get one free share of Tesla or Google. So go ahead and check out Mumu. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about the new stock screener feature that Robinhood just launched. I think this is a very great feature, and again, Robinhood has really been stepping up their game these last couple of months, implementing a lot of new features, a lot of features that we're definitely missing from the platform here. Now, I do want to mention here that I don't know if everybody has access to this yet. A lot of the times when Robinhood launches a new feature, they tend to slowly roll it out. Okay, so at first it'll only be like maybe 30% of customers, then 60%, then the entire, everybody on Robinhood. So don't worry if you don't have access to it yet, you should very soon. Now let's first start by talking about the benefits of a stock screener as described by Robinhood. So when you first get access to this, there's going to be something like learn more or something that you'll see on the home page. And when you click on that, you'll see something like this. Let's just quickly read through this here. So spot your next trade with stock screeners. So leverage filters like price change, volume, and more to zero in on your next trade. So one benefit is it lets you focus your search, right? You can mix and match custom filters, and this way you spend less time searching and more time analyzing stocks that you're interested in. Because, for example, if you're looking for a stock that just made a 52-week high and you don't have access to a screener like this, it can take you a very long time to come up with that list. With this, you get that list almost instantly. So you do spend less time searching, and it gives you more time to actually analyze stocks that you want to trade. Make the most of market opportunities, seamlessly shift from research to trading when a stock catches your eye, and then refine your strategy over time. So easily edit your screeners when you update your trading strategy. So this feature does allow you to save your own custom screeners, edit them later on, delete them later on, whatever you want. Okay, so let's actually get into it then. Let's take a look at the stock screener feature here. Now, it took me some time to figure out where to find this and how to navigate to them. And maybe there's another place where you can do this. But as of now, the place where I go to find the stock screener feature is this search box. If you go to the search box up here and you click on it, notice here what pops up when you click on it: stock screeners. And so even right here, you get some options. Custom screener, test screener is one that I created and I just saved. So this is a custom screener built by me. New 52-week highs, new 52-week lows, daily price dips, daily price jumps. Or you can click on show all to see all of them. So let's actually do that. Let's click on show all. So here is what it should look like here. So choose your starting point. So again, you can create your own custom screener, save them, edit them later on. We'll talk about how to do that here. But let's take a look at the ones that are already pre-made for us. So there's a screener that will show you stocks that made new 52-week highs. So stocks that broke their 52-week high today, new 52-week lows. So one that shows you stocks that fell below their 52-week low today, daily price jumps. So stocks with the biggest price increases today, stocks with the biggest price decreases today. So daily price dips. Highest implied volatility, stocks that are likely to have large price swings. This will be a good one to probably make its own video on, especially for those that like to do things like sell options. Highest options volume, so that's pretty self-explanatory. Highest dividend yield, also pretty self-explanatory. Dividend yield about 5%, so a specific percent. Upcoming earnings, this one's also pretty valuable in my opinion. So a company reporting earnings in the next 2 weeks. And then analyst picks, so stocks with buy ratings from third-party analysts. So let's take a look at this one, for example, daily price jump. So this is going to show me stocks with the biggest price increases today. So if I click on it, take a look here. Okay, you no longer have to go spend, a couple of minutes, couple of hours creating a list of the highest, the stocks that have increased the most. Here we can just see it right off the bat. So we have this one here, UCAR, Power, up 160%. It looks like here. And then we have, this next one, 62%, 35%, 35%. So if you're looking for those stocks that have increased a lot in a day, this is where you can go and again, instantly just see all of these in the list here. And then from here, you can do a couple of things. You can either add them to your watch here, or you can just click on it and it will take you to that stock. Now, I'm not going to do that because when I do that, it takes me to a new tab and I don't want to be jumping between tabs. But you can click on any of these from here and it'll take you to that stock. So, just seamlessly transitioning from the screener to the stock you selected. So this is what the screener will look like here. Now, with that being said, let's say we wanted to create our own custom screener. Let's go ahead and do that here. So I'm going to go back to over here just to see them all. And then I'm just going to go to custom screener here. So I'm going to click on custom screener. So when I don't have anything selected, this is what it looks like here. I think it's just showing the stocks with the highest market caps here, right? So we have, Apple highest market cap, then Microsoft, then Google, then Amazon, then Nvidia. So I think that's what it has by default when there are no filters on here. But let's add a couple of filters to this, just so you guys can see like what's possible with this. So let's say I'm looking for stocks that, let's say I want to see if they made a new 52-week high here. And I don't care if it was today. Let's say I just care about if it was this week here. And then let's say I'm looking for stocks that have a share price under $20 maybe. And then let's say I'm looking for a stock that's in a particular sector. So let's say maybe like in the software sector here. And so I'll just leave it there, or else we'll probably not get any more results if I keep filtering here. So now we've added 3 filters here. And so now, as you can see here, we have 5 results. So if you didn't have this screener or access to a screener, and you're looking for stocks that met all 3 criteria that I just showed you guys, it would take you probably weeks to find these stocks, okay? But now here we literally got these results in 10 seconds, 15 seconds here. And so now I can see all the stocks that meet this criteria. So here is a stock that made a new 52-week high this week, share price under $20, and that's in the software sector. Okay, so now I can again click on this. It'll take me to that stock and I can, analyze it further or do whatever it is that I want it to do here. So now, how do I save this screener, right? Okay, this is a custom screener. So how do I save this? Well, down here, you can see bottom left, there's a save screener button. So I can click on here and I can add any name to this. Let's just say let's say, 52-week high under 20 software stocks or something like that, right? Try to make it descriptive so that you can, quickly find it later on. And then we'll save it here. And so now it has been saved. So now where do I find this, this screener when I want to use it later on? So again, let's say you're right here later on. Where do I find it? I don't see it here. So all you need to do is, you can probably click on any of these, but again, I would just click on custom screener here. And then when you're on this page, notice this back arrow here, so click on that. And so now you can see here your screeners, and here is that screener here. So that 52-week high under 20 software stock screener. So I can click on it and quickly it'll show me, it'll apply all those filters and give me a list, right? And now notice that there's this little button here with 3 dots. If you click on it, here you can do multiple things. You can edit the filters. you can duplicate it. So let's click on duplicate. So as you can see, right, we would just add our new name to the duplicate here, because maybe you want to leave this one alone, but then you want to duplicate it and maybe add a couple more filters, right? And you don't want to disturb this original one. So you could do that here as well. Or as you guys saw, right, the last option is delete. So here you can delete it. Note that if you delete this, you won't be able to recover it if you delete it. So that's basically how the stock screener feature works. Again, really great that they finally added something like this. And I'll be making future videos on how to better use these more in-depth videos. Okay, so anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Check out the Discord, link to it in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.